Hello YouTube family. Today I'm going to give you review of smartwatch of Color Fit Pulse of Noise Company. Specialty of our channel is that we use the product for a particular period and then post its review as per its performance. So I have been using this watch from past 2 months. I had purchased it for rupees 2000 from Amazon. I would recommend this to everyone looking for low budget watches. In terms of look wise, it's good and lightweight. It has watch faces of around 60 plus watch faces. Let me show you some. So this is one of them. So it has 60 plus watch faces as per the company policy, but I would recommend 5 to 10 good faces that are available on its noise app. So let me run through its features. So here are its features. So here you can see the steps, the distance you have covered, calories you have burned, weekly total also comes over here. This is the notification section, and here you can enable multiple features like heart rate and the brightness levels. You can adjust your brightness levels over here. So this is the find phone and this is the DND. So here multiple sports modes are also available, where you can use it for outdoor running, walking, outdoor cycling, trail runs, trekking, treadmill, indoor cycling, yoga. Okay, here you can assess your heartbeat. Let me do this. Yeah. Here you can monitor your blood oxygen level, sleep records. It has also compatibility of Bluetooth music. Like you are playing music on your phone, you can stop or resume it from here. You can set up alarm, stopwatch, you can assess the weather, and here the some settings. Okay, so I would recommend in 2000 this watch is too good. It is waterproof as well. It has a 10-day battery life, which I have already assessed. It comes with multiple sports mode, which I have already shown you. The screen size is 1.4 inch. Okay, it is compatible for Android and iOS 9 plus, but limitation of this watch is it cannot control camera of your phone, or and it cannot control the call logs as well. Like whenever a call is received, it won't be shown on the watch. Okay, it has no SIM support. Okay, so it comes with a charger. You have to plug in your charger only. It comes with only cable only. Okay, and this is the box, and these are the some stickers which is of no use, I guess. Okay, or you can paste it on your watch and the warranty card. Okay, so I hope you have liked the video. So do comment if you have any questions. I will try to answer as soon as possible. Thank you.